I'm Barbara Mills, and I'm from the University of Saskatchewan. I'm a sessional lecturer, a former high school teacher of English, math, ethics, and arts education and drama. And I did my PhD around theoretically and experientially around 4 lenses. And where it ended up was with the study of the human brain, and especially what neuroscientists are telling us right now about the function and the structure of the brain, and that education is actually fundamental to the structure and the function of the brain. And what I believe right now is that our educational system comes out of a mechanistic mindset in which rational knowledge has been privileged, individualized, competitive, marks-oriented, product-oriented kind of education. And now the neuroscientists are finding out that the best ways to educate the human mind is through collaboration and integration and connection. And so in my class, I teach a class called Pedagogies of Place. What I do within the mechanized system is I try to disrupt it from within. And one of the assignments that has worked really well is something I call OSM, and it's adopted from 1 Square Meter by Patrick Roper. And the students each have to find a special place in nature that they feel connected to. It's worth 15% of their mark. It's inquiry-based learning. There is a mark involved, but it's not a qualitative mark, it's a quantitative mark. If they do 6 hours separately, connecting to nature, they get the mark. They self-assess. They write their own rubric. They create their own rules around it. And all I ask is that they live the experience. They don't have to produce anything. And what they talk about is the connections that they make, the heart connections that they make. And not all of them would agree, but many of them will tell you that it was healing, that their intuition is sharper, it triggered their imagination, their creativity. A lot of them, they have no expectation to produce anything, but a lot of them write songs or create a piece of art, or one student said, "Can I dance my experience?" So the key is to disrupt and to connect, because the mechanistic system has disconnected. And that's all we all know. And so how do we disrupt it?